Hello everyone. In this session, we will be talking about the fill maps. In the last session, we saw the symbol maps, and this map is similar to that map, but in this map, it shows the data with the help of filled map region. A field map is a dynamic data visualization technique to represent the geographical data by filling the regions, such as countries, states, or postal codes, with the help of colors or patterns. This visualization is ideal for showcasing the spatial distribution, regional variations, and density patterns within your data. In a field map, geographical regions are shaded based on the values of a selected measure or dimension. Darker or lighter color indicates the higher or lower values respectively. This visual representation allows you to quickly discern the geographical trends and disparities within your data. During our practical demonstration in Tableau, we will explore how to create these field maps to visualize the geographical data effectively. You will also learn how to map the dimensions to geographical fields, assign measures to control the color gradients, and apply the filters to focus on a specific region or data subsets. Whether you are visualizing the population density sales or the sales by region or any location based data, field maps can provide a compelling way to communicate the insights and make data driven decisions tied to geography. So now let's go to the Tableau screen and see how we can create these field maps. We have already talked about the geographical data present in our this particular data set. I have postal code, city, country, the state, and in the measures I have the latitude and longitude which are automatically generated. To create a field map, the minimum requirement is one or more geographical locations, zero or more dimensions, or zero or more measures. So one geographical location is enough. And this would be creating your field map. But to show the field region, I need these dimensions and measures as well. So let's try to create a field map. Over here, I have this state option. I double click on this state, which would bring a map for me. Now, since this map was made as a satellite image in the previous session, so it is displaying a satellite image. Let me change it back to the normal one. For that, what I can do is I can go in the map option and I can choose the normal option, which is the light option. So now the map has been changed to the light map. If you want to see only the specific area, let's say right now I am seeing the data from multiple countries. I want to see only one country's data. For that, what I can do is I can drag this country option in the filters and here I can choose the desired country. Right now, I'll be focusing on the data which is related to India. So I click on India, click on apply and OK, which would give me this result. Now you can see all the states that are having some kind of sales are highlighted. The states which are not highlighted, that means there is no sales data for us right now. So what I can do is right now it is showing me in the form of these symbols. Let me convert it to the field map. For that, I can go in the show me option and over here I have this field map option. I can click on this and it would change the data to the field map. Now you can see the states which are not being highlighted, that means the data for that is not present. And this color is now being generated based on the states that are present in the data. I want to change this color in the form of the profit that each states are occurring. For that, what I can do is I can drag this profit option into the color and then it would display the colors which are based on the profit. For now, I can see the least profit that is being generated is 194 and the maximum profit that is happening is 17,040, which is in the form of a diverging scale. If you want to change the color of these profits, what you can do is you can go in the colors option. Over here, you can choose edit colors and you can choose a palette. Let's say I want to apply the red, green, and white diverging play to it. I can choose that. I can click on apply and OK. This would give me the list of the areas which are having least profit in terms of the sales. So I can also see the sales in this particular chart. I can see the profit, I can see the discount, and whatever values would be less, it would be showing me with the help of this red color. And the maximum that value would be, it would showing me the green color. And if it is somewhere in between, it would show me this white color. So the regions which are not very red and green, they are making some fair amount of profit. So this is one of the way to create the feedback. Now let's talk about the different formatting options that are available. If you want to format the title of this particular map, you can click on this sheet 2 option, double click on it, and you can choose it to show the field map. Let's say I want to change the font type. I can click on this Tableau light option and I can make it Tableau dark or Tableau medium. If you want to increase the font size, you can do it with the help of this option. Let's say right now I want to keep it as 20. I want to make it bold. Select this option, make it bold, change the size again from over here and underline it. Let's try to keep the color as green shade. Click on apply and OK. It would then appear over here. The color has not changed, so first select the data, then I can choose the color. I am choosing it to be the center align. Click on apply and OK. Now the color has been changed and it has been centrally aligned. I have the legend at the right hand side of my table. So this is the way in which you can create a field map. Now what is the basic difference between a symbol map and this particular field map? If I go in sheet 1 and I create a symbol map over here, again I can click on states. I can choose a filter to be depicting only India, and this is based on the sales. So let's track the sales in the size option. Now, if I compare these two, we can see the difference clearly. When we are talking about the symbol map, it is depicting a symbol. Whether if we are talking about the field map, it is depicting the areas with the help of this field color. Over here, the symbols size was depending on this particular sales. Whatever sales they are making or the profit they are making, the bigger or smaller would be the size. If we come to this particular part, the color of this region is showing based on these measures. So whatever sales or profit they would be making, the lighter or the darker shade of the colors would be there. So this was a basic difference between the symbol map and the field map. In this session, we saw how to create a field map, what specifically is the field map, how we can apply the formatting on the top of it, and the basic difference between the symbol map and the field map. In the next session, we will be looking at the pie chart. Thank you.